Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be going over 3 ways that you can start to earn money online. So if you're somebody who's looking to supplement your income, then this video is for you. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be discussing 3 different methods that you can use to start earning money online. So if you're someone who's looking to start making more money, or maybe you're just looking to make a full-time income online, then I'm going to be going over these methods in this video. And if you want my #1 recommendation when it comes to making a full-time income online, then you can check out the link in the top of the description. Okay, so with that being said, let me just get right into it and talk about the first method when it comes to making money online. So the first one is going to be Amazon FBA. Now, FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. Now, this is also known as private label. And if you're unfamiliar with what private label is where you take a product and then you slap your own logo or your brand onto that product and you call it your own. Now, the way that you would go about making money using Amazon FBA is first, you have to figure out a product that's in demand on Amazon. And then you have to make sure that that product is going to be profitable. Or else, what's the whole point in selling a product that's not going to make you any money? Now, when it comes to doing product research and finding out which product is in demand and also profitable, there's a few research tools that you can use. And I believe the most popular one is called Jungle Scout. And chances are, most likely you've seen advertisements where they're talking about Jungle Scout. So you can go and do your research about Jungle Scout on your own if you're interested in getting started using Jungle Scout. Now, most people who use Amazon FBA to sell products, they usually get their products from Chinese wholesale websites. So this is supposed to be you right here. This is you with the smiley face, and this is your product right here. Right, P for product. Now let's say, for example, the product that you're going to be selling is a flashlight. So what you're going to want to do is contact one of these Chinese wholesale websites. C for Chinese. And what you're going to want to do is first get a sample order. You're going to have one shipped out to you just to ensure the quality of the product. And then once you're satisfied with the quality of the product, you're going to buy that item in bulk, but you're not going to have it shipped to you. What you're going to do is you're going to have it shipped to an Amazon fulfillment center. And what the Amazon fulfillment center is going to do is they're going to store your product, and whenever a customer buys your product, Amazon is going to ship it to the customer. So this is going to be the customer right here receiving your product. So Amazon is going to pack, fulfill, and ship out your order to the customer. And they also handle the returns. Oh, and I forgot to mention, a few different Chinese online wholesale websites that most people use who are doing Amazon FBA are going to be Alibaba, AliExpress, or DHgate. Okay, now back to what I was saying. Now, Amazon handles the whole fulfillment process of your order. They even handle the returns. Now, this is on the plus side. The benefit about using this method is that you don't have to worry about storing any inventory. You don't have to worry about shipping anything out. You don't even have to worry about the returns yourself. Amazon handles this whole process for you. But on the downside, they do charge a fee for fulfilling your order, for shipping it out, for storing your product in their warehouse, and even a fee for the returns. So that's something to think about, and you should do your own research if you're thinking about getting started with this method. So the next method that I wanted to talk about is called dropshipping. Now, if you don't know what dropshipping is, it's where you post a product for sale online and knowing that you can buy that product for a cheaper price from another website. So let's say, for example, you post a barbecue grill on eBay for $100, and you know you can get that same grill from Walmart for $70. So whenever somebody buys that barbecue grill from your eBay listing, All you would do is go to Walmart, you order that barbecue grill, and instead of having it shipped to you directly, you have it shipped out to the customer. So just like that, you made $30 on top. Now, many people who use drop shipping to make money online, they usually use eBay or they create their own Shopify website. And they usually source their products from Chinese wholesale websites or Walmart, Amazon, or even Home Depot. Now, the benefit about using this method is the same as the one before. You don't have to worry about any inventory. You don't have to worry about shipping anything out directly. And you don't even have to invest any money up front. But the downside about using this method is that there's a lot of competition. And usually the profit margin is pretty low if you really want to make money using drop shipping, because there's so much competition. You can't really price an item too much higher than everybody else, or else you're not really going to sell anything. Now, that's something to think about if you're looking into getting started using this method. Now, the last method that I want to talk about is my personal favorite, which is known as affiliate marketing. Now, this is a great way to get started with making money online, because you don't even need to have your own products to sell in order to start making money online. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically where you're promoting somebody else's product online through a specific link that's coded to you. So whenever somebody clicks on your link and they purchase that product that you're promoting, then you make a commission. Now, if you're new to affiliate marketing, you might be wondering, where do you find products to promote as an affiliate? Now, there's a lot of affiliate programs out there, but the two most common ones that I see people talking about are going to be ClickBank and Amazon Associates. Now, both of these programs are free to sign up, and they have a wide variety of different products that you can promote. So it doesn't matter what niche that you're in, you can find a product to promote that's related to your niche. But when it comes to paying out commissions, both of these programs pay very differently. Amazon is known to pay very low commissions, somewhere between 2 to 5%, and ClickBank is known to pay a lot more. It depends on the product that you're promoting. So if you're looking to get started with affiliate marketing, those are two great programs that you can get started with. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, there's a whole lot of technicalities when it comes to becoming successful with it, such as creating a sales funnel, building a landing page, creating an email list. And I talk about that in detail in other videos that I do in the past. And I'm going to link it somewhere up here or in the description below. And if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, then you can check out a free ebook download in the description called Affiliate Marketing Ideas. And what this ebook does is it helps you decide what niche to pick, and also the different platforms that you can use to promote your affiliate offers on. So I recommend checking that out. It's completely free. Well, that's the 3 methods when it comes to making money online in 2019. There's a few other ones, but I felt that these were the 3 most important ones if you're serious about making money online in 2019. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about these methods. And if you want to see more videos like this, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Well, that's pretty much it for this one. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.